What if I told you that the difference between a hobby and a business is often just one piece of equipment? Cut to rapid montage: a laser etching wood, a 3D printer building a model, a heat press steaming a shirt. You don't need a massive factory anymore. Today, million-dollar empires are being built in garages, spare bedrooms, and basements using just 7 specific machines. I'm going to show you the 7 machines most entrepreneurs are using right now to print money. Let's get to work. Machine number 1, the Gateway. First up, the Gateway machine, the vinyl cutter. You probably know brands like Cricut or Cameo, or the industrial Graphtec. The business, custom stickers, car decals, and organized home labels. Why it wins? It's affordable, often under $300, and the profit margins are insane. A sheet of vinyl costs pennies. The finished stickers sell for dollars. It is the easiest way to start a brand today. Machine number 2, the merch maker. But what if you want to wear your designs? That brings us to machine number 2, the heat press. The business, custom apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags. Why it wins? Every YouTuber, local coffee shop, and sports team needs merch. With a heat press, you become their supplier. It's the backbone of the print-on-demand revolution. Number 3 is my personal favorite, the laser engraver. The business, high-end personalization, wedding gifts, corporate branding, custom leather patches, and jewelry. Why it wins? People pay a premium for custom. You can buy a generic cutting board for $10, engrave a family name on it, and sell it for $50. That is the power of the laser. Number 4 used to be sci-fi. Now it's essential, the 3D printer. The business, custom cosplay props, replacement parts for old appliances, or unique cookie cutters. Why it wins? You are manufacturing from thin air. You don't need to hold inventory. You only print what you sell. It is the ultimate low-risk manufacturing tool. Number 5 takes you from handmade to high-end brand, the embroidery machine. The business, uniforms for local businesses, hats, and premium patches. Why it wins? Ink fades, but thread lasts forever. Businesses love embroidered polos and hats because they look professional. This machine unlocks high-ticket corporate clients. Number 6 is all about color, the sublimation printer. The business, custom tumblers, mouse pads, and mugs. Why it wins? Unlike vinyl, this ink actually dyes the material. You get photorealistic quality that is dishwasher safe. If you've ever bought a custom mug on Etsy, it was made with this machine. And finally, number 7, for the builders, the CNC router. The business, large-scale signage, custom furniture, and home decor. Why it wins? It's like a robot carpenter. You design it on the computer, and the machine cuts it with perfect precision every single time. It allows you to scale a woodworking business without hiring a team of carpenters. The best part? You don't need all 7. You just need one to get started. Pick the machine that matches your creativity and start building your empire today. Which machine would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget,